Elba Island is one of Italy's most beautiful Mediterranean islands, known for crystal clear waters, scenic beaches, mountain views, charming villages, and rich history. It's perfect for travelers who want a mix of relaxation, outdoor activities, and cultural experiences. Number 7. Explore Capolaveri Old Town. Located on the hilltop overlooking the sea, Capolaveri Old Town is one of the most charming villages on Elba Island. Walking through its narrow streets, you will find colorful houses, small shops, cozy cafes, and beautiful viewpoints. It is especially lively in the evening when locals and visitors gather for dinner and sunset views. Number 6. Relax at Fatovia Beach. Fatovia Beach is located on the western coast of Elba and is famous for its soft and turquoise water. Surrounded by green hills, this beach is ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and relaxing in a peaceful natural setting. The shallow water makes it suitable for families as well. Number 5. Snorkeling and swimming in crystal clear water. Elba Island is one of the best places in Tuscany for snorkeling. Along the rocky coves and quiet beaches, visitors can swim in clear water and see colorful fishes and marine life. Popular snorkeling areas are scattered around the island, especially near rocky shorelines and small bays. Number 4. Visit Napoleon Residence. Elba Island is historically famous as a place where Napoleon Bonaparte was exiled. Visitors can explore his former residence, including elegant villas where he lived during his stay. These sites offer insight into Elba's history and provide beautiful views over the sea and town areas. Number 3. Take a boat trip around Elba Island. One of the best ways to experience Elba is by taking a boat trip around the island. These trips allow visitors to see hidden coves, cliffs, and beaches that are difficult to reach by land. Swimming stops and panoramic coastal views make this a memorable activity. Number 2. Ride the cable car to Monte Capeni. Monte Capeni is the highest point on Elba Island and offers a spectacular panoramic views over the island and the surrounding sea. Visitors can take a cable car ride to the top, followed by short walks and photo stops. On clear days, views stretch far across the Tuscan archipelago. Number 1. Walk along Maracana Marina and Harbor. Taking the top spot, Maracana Marina is a beautiful seaside town with a relaxed harbor, pastel-colored buildings, and a scenic promenade. Walking along the waterfront, watching boats, and enjoying sea views perfectly captures Elba's slow island lifestyle. It's an ideal place to end the day. I hope you like this video. For more videos like that, please like, share, and subscribe this channel.